How do you replace the transmission drive belt on the X324?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Full-size image. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Curtis, I already have the diagram. Got it from the dealer when I purchased the belt. What I need is a step-by-step approach. There must be some way to get past the steering box that is between the two end pulleys. I have not been able to find any info as to the proper procedure. John Deere seems to keep tight wraps on any info for do-it-yourselfers. Was hoping you may know someone that might help, or maybe I will have to take it to the dealer. GRRRR. Thanks, Dave.
Check this one out. It is not the X324, but it is basic same design. http://outdoorpower.com/repair/deer_lx266_hydro_belts.asp.
Good job, Curtis. The diagram for installation, repair and replacement of John Deere 165, 175, 185 hydro lawn tractor drive belt is even a little closer, but it tells me that removal of a lot of gear is necessary. I want to thank you for all your assistance and will be completing the survey shortly. Thanks again, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.